Hi folks, we're going to do something brand new for homework this week, and I hope that I can give you enough information so that you can go ahead and comment online on this voice thread, which is a discussion thread where you can actually post audio comments and draw on the screen to help you explain to us your understanding of some information about chemistry. I see that we're still confused about bonding, and I'm hoping that in having to verbalize what you know, this may help cement some of those comments. So what I'm using right now is a tool, an online tool called VoiceThread. I will explain how you can have access to this after I first describe what you are going to be discussing on this thread. I'm going to have you go to khanacademy.org, and I think you can see that listed, the URL listed right up here. Khan Academy has all kinds of marvelous videos that we can use to supplement the information in our text. And I have jumped to the chemistry list, and you can see that the first several videos are topics that we have already covered. Elements and atoms. Let's see if I can bring it up again. An introduction to the atom, orbitals, more on orbitals and electron configurations, valence electrons, periodic table, all the way down to ionic and covalent and metallic bonds. I'm going to ask that you watch some of these. We will see if we can get them back here. And at the very least, I would like you to go from electron configurations 2 all the way through to ionic, covalent, and metallic bonds. You will find in your homework some questions to respond to these videos that I would like you to respond using VoiceThread. To get access to VoiceThread, first you have to go to VoiceThread.com. And once you have done that, you will be at their home page, and then over on the right hand side is the sign in or register small arrow, and that's where you will sign in. I will send you an invitation to this voice thread so that you can click on that or input that URL and be able to access what I'm using right now and add your own voice to it. When I ask you to respond to a question using the periodic table, I've embedded a couple of different periodic tables into this voice thread. And if you'll notice down here, we have small squares, and these are the pages that I have already uploaded. I'm using this arrow button to navigate between them, and you can just play around with this a little bit in order to be able to navigate to the page that you want to add a comment to. When you're recording a comment, you use this button. If you want to type or draw, you can use this button. And for this application, I think that's what we'll need to be using. You can click on the type, click on a color, and I'm using my finger on a trackpad. I'm not even using a mouse at this point. And you can draw in a crude manner right on the screen as you talk. If you do have access to a graphics tablet, you can draw a little bit more easily. The response time is pretty slow, so it's a little difficult to see what you're doing. If you don't like what you've done, you just click cancel. You can click cancel after you record and then continue recording. You will see that when you create a comment, there will be your face or avatar, or just perhaps an image that's assigned to you from VoiceThread over here on the corner, and you'll be able to click on that in order to hear the comments that Amalia or Connor have made, or other students, or that I have made. Be sure when you're done you click save, because if you don't, your comment will be lost. And then go ahead and open it up and make sure that it says what you want it to say. You can edit your own comments if you'd like. Be sure to try this early in the week so that you can be sure that it works. This is just another way that I am trying to reinforce the information that we have. If we continue without a real solid understanding of periodic trends and bonding, you will be confused, and I don't want that. Thanks for watching.